ready to go?
Yeah, man. Let's go.
Hey,
Yeah,
Marlo, you ready to go to Kurt Station?
Yeah, man. I've been waiting on this trip ever since I got here.
Boats ready? You got supplies? Let's see.
That solves that problem.
Let's go, guys. Man, I'm so glad this fog is gone. I can see so much better. I mean, it's dangerous to be sailing through here with this fog.
I know. I just feel like something's out here.
I know. I don't know what's about. I don't know if it's the wind or something, but those bushes are moving awfully a lot. I hope this is safe.
I know, man. I'm just ready to get to Kurt Station.
Get on! What is that? Oh,
Attack!
there's something out there.
Attack! Get the
Oh,
gun!
God.
Attack!
They're hitting the ship.
Attack!
I got this. I got this.
Attack! Oh! Attack! I got guns! Oh! Oh, yes! Oh, good! Attack them! Get them! Look out! I got guns!
I got one. I got one. He's still alive. He's still alive. No.
Ah! I got him!
Oh, get out of here. Oh, God, they're back. They're back. Get the guns. Get the guns. I've been hit. Oh. Fire. Put pressure on them. Ah. God, I can't hit these guys. Oh, it's down. I'm out of ammo. I don't have it.
No!
Shoot, we gotta find ammo. We gotta find ammo somewhere.
Look out!
Ah!
Gotta get rid of these bloody shoes. Need to dispose of the body so the cannibals won't get a hold of my helmsman. Man! I was gonna eat that!
Y'all ready?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Hey, Marlo, you ready to go to Kurt Station?
Yeah, man, I've been waiting on this voyage ever since I got here.
Okay, man, the boat's ready. We got supplies. Let's see if we have enough room. Let's